Oh, hey! Get me out of here. Fine, I can by myself. What can I do now? Maybe I should crawl away.
Do whatever you can. I ain't gonna get up. You better do what's important for you.
Eat it before he takes it away.
He's taking it away. Don't make me spin. Put it down here. Yeah, put it down.
Seems like you have nothing to do. Get yourself a girlfriend. Then you will have a lot to do.
Can you eat a bit faster?
Why should I eat quickly?
Because he's annoying. He will take it away again.
I'm done eating.
Why today feels longer than usual? Probably because I'm sitting idle. But I'm still gonna be lazy today.
Huh? What you doing? You probably lost your mind. Are you hypnotizing me? I'm going away then. See you tomorrow.